Stephen Fennick from Tech Guide here, and what you can see behind me is the new Hisense 110 UX. Yes, that's right. It's a 110-inch television. Biggest TV on the Australian market right now, has 10,000 nits of brightness and 40,000 dimming zones to offer a viewing experience and an audio experience like you've never heard or seen before. Let's check it out. We first spotted the Hisense 110 UX at the Consumer Electronics Show back in January, and it was one of the stars of the show. Under the hood is Hisense's Mini LED X technology with 40,000 full array local dimming zones and delivering 10,000 nits of peak brightness. What the TV also delivers is less glare. This is really important because this TV is likely to be used in a typical Australian open plan and bright living space. And as a result, Hisense has delivered 20% less glare. It also offers a 40% wider viewing angle. So even though there's plenty of space to sit in front of it, even sitting at an angle, you're going to get a great view. Also on board, of course, is the Hisense Quantum Dot Color technology. This is delivering on this TV, on the 110 UX, is 25% richer colors when compared to the typical Quantum Dot alone. But as I said, it's not just a big picture, it's also a big sound. There are speakers on top, down the sides, and even subwoofers built into the bottom of the TV as well. And this delivers CineStage X 4.2.2 surround sound. So your entertainment, your viewing, it's not only going to look great, it's going to fill the room and sound amazing as well. It does offer Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, HDR10, and it is also IMAX Enhanced certified. And it also includes the VIDAA U8 operating system. This is a really easy way to navigate through the TV, seamlessly switch between apps and other connected devices too, and of course access all your streaming services including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, KO, Foxtel, Stan, the list goes on. Talking about a 110-inch TV is one thing, but actually showing you the scale is another. I thought I'd stand beside the TV just to give you an idea of its sheer size. I'm 6'1", so you can see it is slightly elevated on an entertainment unit, but this just gives you an idea of the sort of room you're going to need to fit a TV of this kind in your house. You also need to sit a little way back from the screen as well. So this would need quite a large room so you can make the best use of it to enjoy the great audio and video quality. The Hisense 110 UX TV, 110 inches. It's available now and priced at $24,999.